Today, I'm going to show you how to give your clients a list of service providers while protecting yourself from unnecessary risk. Hey everyone, I'm Joe Wagaman, California real estate broker. Whether your client needs help with inspections, financing, or repairs, offering them options is a great way to be helpful and valuable, but you don't want to be on the hook if things don't go as planned. Imagine you recommend a home inspector who misses something on the report that later becomes an issue for your buyer, or you recommend a contractor to your seller for a pre-market repair that later fails, or a lender who can ultimately fund the loan, and your buyer loses their deposit and their dream home. That's where today's topic comes in: how to provide a referral rather than a recommendation, along with some language that protects you. We want to ensure that your clients know who they choose is up to them, and you're not guaranteeing their performance, so a negative outcome doesn't reflect poorly on you. So let's get into it. Step 1. Provide a list of 3 or more service providers. First, always provide at least 3 service providers for each type of service that your client needs. Select 3 that either you or your office has had a good experience with. This applies to any service provider your client may need. Offering multiple options makes it clear that you're not giving a glowing endorsement for any single provider. So provide a list of 3 or more service providers. That's step 1. Step 2. Use a disclosure statement to protect yourself. Next, make sure to include clear language that defines your role and limits your liability. A good disclosure statement will include a note that they should evaluate the providers themselves to their satisfaction prior to selecting one. A reminder that your office does not recommend one over another, and the client is free to select any provider they wish, whether they're on the list or not. A statement that your office does not guarantee or warranty the work performed by any of the listed companies or individuals. So include a disclosure statement. That's step 2. Step 3. Make sure it's in writing. A verbal statement would leave you in a he said, she said situation down the road, so it's important to put this in writing. It doesn't have to be a formal signed document. Just a simple email will do the job. So send it in writing. That's step 3. By following these 3 steps, offering multiple options, including a clear disclosure, and putting it in writing, you're providing your clients with the information they need to make an informed decision, while protecting yourself from unnecessary risk. To make this easier for you, I've created a service provider list email template that you can copy and paste into your email whenever you need it. Just click the link below to download it. 100% free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. In the next video, we're going to dive into what as is really means on the contract and how to prevent this often misinterpreted clause from derailing your transactions in escrow. See you next time.